Alhamdulillah. So the actions from today's class, even when Muslims are in power, they should continue to fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves muttaqeen. Muttaqeen means those people who are righteous, those people who fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, say they do not even transgress, even when they are in power. So they do not do oppression. Give proper time and space to someone who has not received the message of Islam and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or they have not met Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam or the message that he has given, to receive and accept Islam. They should be given time and space. Even in those tough times of wars, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that if a non-Muslim comes, then give him protection, send him a message, and take him to a place of peace where he's not forced to take Islam. All of these, there are multiple misconceptions against Islam, that Islam is a forceful religion, and these ayahs alone tell us that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continue to show mercy even in the toughest of time. And this is the beauty and logic of Islam. So if a person has not listened to the message, or he has not gotten the message, then he should be given the time to take it, receive it in a place of peace and not by force, so that they can truly accept Islam from their hearts. Don't exchange verses of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for small benefits of this world. Always keep thinking of investing in life hereafter. Sometimes people disregard the religion, they disregard the teachings of Islam just for small worldly benefits. Okay, let me do this. No, but this verse doesn't say it like this. Maybe it means this. But logic, the logic that I've understood, because I'm so logical, and I'm an engineer, and I'm an accountant, and I know it wasn't the riba, and the interest is not, and the technical details. And don't we should not try to exchange verses and change the word and change the guidance just for the small benefits of this world. We have to always think about the hereafter. That is the ultimate investment that we can do. All our decisions in this life should focus towards investing in the hereafter. And you have to balance your life. You can still earn. There are halal ways of earning. You can have a nice house, you can have a nice car, you can have a nice life, but you have to balance your life as well. And you have to make sure that you are staying away completely from haram and going after halal things, because you are always thinking of hereafter as well. Finally, love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the mission of Islam more than the worldly things and the relationships that we have, like our fathers, sons, brothers, spouses, relatives, and the wealth and trade that we always fear of, or the houses or properties that we own. These were the specific words that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in the ayah number 24 that we went through together. So we have to make sure that always Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the guidance that was shared to us, and the mission of Islam is always the priority for us. The rest of the things can fall into their place accordingly.